Hey guys, welcome back to the Flawless Beauties channel. I hope y'all are having a great week, and I'm really excited to show y'all this new company, OoMyNails. And y'all know how I always wear nails in my videos. I would say 9 times out of 10, always have nails on. Sometimes I give my fingers a little break in between. Today, they're plain Jane, and I mean plain. We still gotta file them everything. It's, you know, don't worry, we're gonna get to that when we do some nail applications later. So, OoMyNails, OoMyNails. You can find them on Instagram. They have really cute solids and prints and all these different shapes and sizes. They have short, medium, long. They got coffin, they got oval, squoval, they got stiletto. They have it all. And these are press-on nails. And they come, I'm going to show y'all one of the pairs I got. They come, ooh, my nails, look at that. Right there. They come with the little press-on stickers. And they have extra ones on there. It comes, extra adhesive tabs right here. And they come with 24 nails, all different sizes, so you can fit to your fingernail beds. They also come with a nail file and cuticle pusher, which is very handy. So let me open, so this one, I'll show you this one. So this one is the Cat Eye Galaxy, and this one is in the medium coffin. So it comes like this. I just took it out of the packaging. And here are my nails in all different sizes. And you get this little packet in here. And you can see the nail tabs, the file, adhesive. You need to clean off your nail to make sure it's nice and clean. I wash my hands before I apply my nails and make sure they're dry. Don't touch, don't eat anything. The alcohol pad definitely helps with that as well, just for an extra good clean so everything can stick nicely. And of course, cuticle pusher under here, and then that side I actually use to clean under the nail if the nails are dirty. So my nails, I actually just took off my last set, so they need to be filed and everything else. So I am going to actually, let's see. So these were the Cat Eye Galaxy. These are the medium coffin. This is the blue one. I think they also had purple and another color on there. It was really pretty. Aren't those gorgeous? Let me show you the other ones, and I'm going to show you the ones I'm going to be putting on today. So these are the medium coffin. I want to say I got all medium coffin, which they do have short, medium, long. They have the square. They have the stiletto, oval, squoval. They have a lot of different shapes. Now look at these cute ones. And all of them come with this, so you don't got to worry about having anything extra. And these are the Cheetah Circuit. So those are really cute. Look at those. It's kind of like a nude with the neons and the cheetah. These I'm super excited about trying on. Okay, what's the other ones? Ooh, and these two, actually my favorite, and I chose them because these are both very special. These are the how do we say that? Thermomonochromic. They change colors when it's cold or when it's hot. That's the best way I can explain it to you. And I love the ones that do that. I've had it actually on my toes before, not my fingers, when I've gone to a nail salon. But here we don't have to go to a nail salon. We can have that right here. So these are the Rose Mist. So you can see they're like a kind of like a berry kind of pink right now. I'm going to open one. I'm going to hold it for the heat so you can actually see. I did these earlier. Okay, I'm going to get a big thumbnail. So as you can see, this color right here, and I'm just going to hold it in my hand like this. My hands are warm, hot-blooded. So let's hold it here for a minute, and the blue ones do the same as well, and it's really awesome. Okay, so I think this is pretty good. Of course, it could get lighter, I'm sure. So here is to show you the difference. So this is where it's standing normally cold, and this one is hot, or when there's heat on it. Isn't that cool? And it's starting to, you can see it's starting to kind of change back now. So I chose these because I thought that was super awesome. So those are the Rose Mist. And these are the blueberry, or blue raspberry, excuse me. And these are actually like a deep blue, and it's a little hard to see, but they have sparkles in there too, and I thought that was awesome. So I'm gonna hold one in my hand again so y'all can see the different colors it makes. And I love doing that. So like when you're washing your hands, you know, we're washing hands a lot, and when it gets hot, they just change real quick. It's super fun. So they definitely have different prints and glitter and solids and different things to your style. So I chose Cheetah, love cats, Cat Eyes, the Cat Eye Galaxy, and of course I like the hot and cold one because I thought that was super fun. Okay, let's see. There we go. So you can see this one's a smaller nail, but this is the color when it's cold, and this is when it's warm. So isn't that really fun? They kind of look like mermaid colors. So today I am actually going to be putting on the berry mist. So the ones I showed you earlier that start like a berry pink, and then it's going to turn to a lighter pink when it's warm. These are the ones I'm going to try on today. So stay tuned and let's prep our nails and get started. Step 1, wash your hands and make sure your nail beds are thoroughly clean. Step 2, file your natural nail to make sure any jagged edges are nice and smooth. Step 3, take the cuticle pusher given in the kit and push back your cuticles. Step 4, take the other side of the cuticle pusher and go under your free edge of the nail and clean out any dirt. This is optional, but I rough up my own natural nails with the side of the nail file. Step 5, take the alcohol pad and clean off all your nail beds, allow to dry. Match up your nails to your natural nails to make sure that they fit. Take glue or glue press-on sticker and apply to natural nail. Press fitted nail onto your natural nail bed. Press nail onto nail bed for 30 seconds and hold tightly. If using glue, make sure to wipe off any excess. Tug on nail to ensure tightness. Continue on till all nails are finished. Enjoy your OoMyNails. Okay guys, and here's the finished product. Look at how cute these are. You can see how easy they are to apply. Get a little up close. They look like this like right now because of course my nail beds are warm. So it's the lighter pink, and of course the tips are colder. But aren't those super nice and pretty and very sturdy? I can feel them. They feel great. Now make sure y'all check out OoMyNails and get yourself a couple of pairs, guys. Y'all won't be disappointed. Make sure to like and subscribe this video, guys, to see all the new and latest content. Bye.